Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times this past week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's crazy movement, certainly some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here, just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, 250 was an important level of support, and you can see that actually when the price did break down below there, that's where things got really crazy. Now, to give credit where credit's due, the price did make a very nice bounce upwards, but surprise, surprise, check it out. Look right where the bounce ran out of momentum, right at that level. So I'm not saying that 250 can never be broken again. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price ultimately stopped going up right around that area. So going into next week, 250 is certainly primary resistance level number one. And then if the price can push above there, you'll want to turn your attention to that purple line there, the 50 period moving average, which you can see right here has already rejected the price a couple of times. And the value of the purple line as of now, right up there at 267. Now, on the flip side of things, as far as levels of support are concerned, continue to watch the 225 mark. Now, yes, it was violated today, but like I said, that didn't really last that long, and the price quickly got back above it. So that's going to be that main level that you definitely do want to see hold strong, because as I've shown in past videos, if the price goes below that green line and continues to sink further, that's putting the price at lows that have not been seen for weeks upon weeks. And not to insult your intelligence, but you don't want to see that, right? Assuming you're long, assuming you're bullish, you don't want to see the price going back to where it was weeks and weeks ago. But like I said, to be fair and to give some credit where credit's due, it was a nice bounce from the lows. Now it's just a question of, can the price continue to build and get some more momentum next week from this bounce? We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.